Good Monday morning to you. Winter weather advisories are still in effect for Alger, northern Schoolcraft, and Luce counties through early this afternoon. There's also a winter storm warning for Chippewa County through this evening. So this is what's happening. We still have a few bands of moderate to heavy lake effect snow ongoing across the eastern counties. So most areas in the central and west are looking good as far as current precip coming down, but roads out there probably still a little bit slippery. So the band that has the more intense snow is extending just east of Munising all the way through M28 down in southeast to northern Schoolcraft County along M77. If you're also over to the eastern parts of Alger County, Grand Marais extending all the way through western Luce County, seeing some moderate lake effect as well along M77. There's a trough that's moving through the area this morning, and it's also associated with an area of low pressure that's still tracking north and northeast up into Canada. So we're still seeing that cold air filtering on the backside of it. Now high pressure just to our south and southwest will slowly move in tomorrow, and it'll bring pretty much some sunshine and some milder air into our area. But this morning, a lot of roadways look a little like this. Imperial Heights Road at Barriga County covered in snow, also along US 41 there. It is going to still be a little gusty throughout the morning with northwest winds gusting in excess of 30 to 35 miles per hour. But by the afternoon, we'll see those winds slowly diminish and into the evening. So your hour by hour for precip for today, you can see those bands still ongoing through about midday to the east, and then late in the day they'll start to taper off. If you're in the central, if you're in the west, if you're in the Keweenaw, you're not too concerned with ongoing lake effect, just the breeze. But most of us are probably waking up to some fresh snow, so we have to do a little bit of some clearing off of our vehicles. So give yourself an extra 5 minutes to do that. But areas to the west, you'll certainly have to shovel a little bit more snow by the time this evening rolls around. Some of those more moderate to heavy bands could produce in excess of 6 inches of snow, additional snow for this morning and into the afternoon. Temperatures into the 20s for most places this afternoon, lower 20s to the west and then upper 20s in the central and east. Tomorrow will be milder as most places will be trending in the mid to upper 30s. We do have a little bit of a midweek warm up. We do have this trough moving in or moving out of the area with a ridge in the wake of it, bringing in some warmer air. But by Thanksgiving, notice another trough that digs in. That brings in another spot of some colder air for us. It's associated with this disturbance that moves in on Wednesday. Traveling on Wednesday for the most part looks good, but lake effect snow ramps up in the wake of that on Thanksgiving. It is going to be light in nature, but we'll still have some snowy conditions out there with some colder air for Thanksgiving. Temperatures will be in the 20s for the end of the week.
Today's Pets Waiting For